Hello for everyone. How we can create an environment file in Python. Go find the Python 13 and this file. I want to select and maybe main file.py. Okay, I just think this is just find something. Now we want to check its work true or not. Try more, run without change interpreter and no, this one, yeah, okay. And after that, to create virtual environment file, just write python.m.virtualenvironment.vnv. Click enter. Yes, just wait. Okay, yes, this works successfully and is created in here. Your secrets activated. This is the code on activated. If you get activated problem, you can solve from internet. This time I didn't get an error from activated problem. And after that, this one over here. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great time.